Hello friends, welcome back. In Standard 10 Maths, we are taking nowadays chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression. It is my fourth lecture in this chapter. In the last chapter, we have taken certain examples based on the formula of nth term of the AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We take one or two more examples on that and then we go for exercise number 5.2 of the chapter. So, suppose somebody invests rupees 1000, that is at the principal amount in the bank. Rate of interest R is suppose 8%. Then we have to calculate his simple interest at the end of every year. Okay? So it is going to be form an AP. So how to find out simple interest? We know the formula. I is equal to PRN upon 100. You must be knowing this formula. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate of interest, number of years upon 100. So I am calculating for the first year. So principal amount is 1000, rate of interest is 8, number of year is 1 upon 100. 20 cancel, so 10 8s are 80. So interest for the first year is 80. Now we calculate interest for the second year. So I is equal to PRN upon 100. Principal is again 1000, rate of interest is 8. As we are finding interest for second year, number of year is 2 upon 100. 20 cancel, 10 8s are 18, 80, 82s are 160. We go for interest for the third year. I is equal to PRN upon 100. Principal is rupees 1000, rate of interest is 8. Now it is third year, so value of n is 3 upon 100. 20 cancel, 8 3s are 24, 24 10s are 240. So you can check what is happening. 80 plus 80 160, 160 plus 80 240, that you can find out interest for every year. So of course this forms an AP. It is 80, 160, 240 ... So it definitely forms the AP. What to find out? We have to find the 30th term of this AP. So you want to find out A30. Okay? We have the formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I want to find out A30 is equal to, what is A? 80, first term. N is what? 30 minus 1, 29. Difference is what? 80. So is equal to 80 plus 0 as it is, 9 8s are 72, 7 carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 and 7, 23. So 2320 plus 80, so ultimately it is 2400. So 2400, it is the interest at the end of 30 year. So this is how your formula can be used to find such day-to-day problems. One more interesting example we see. There is a flower bed in the garden. This is how the flowers are arranged. The number of flower goes on reducing. That way the flowers are arranged. So in the flower bed, in the very first row, there are 23 rose plants. Next to it, it is 21 rose plants. Next to it, it is 19 rose plants. And then in the last row, there are 5 rose plants. So your AP is forming like this: 23, 21, 19, and finally it is 5. What kind of AP it is? It is ending somewhere, so it is finite AP. Okay? Now we want to find out what is the number of rows, because first row 23 flowers, second 21, third is 19, and last is 5 rows. But how many rows of flowers are there you want to find out? So you want to find out value of n. Okay? We go for the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay? So what is the last term? 5. A is what? 23 plus n minus 1. Difference is what? 21 minus 23 is minus 2. Okay? So first of all, 5 minus 23 is equal to minus 2n plus 2. So it is again 23 minus 5, it is minus 18. Minus sign is bigger, so it is minus 18 plus 2 changes aside, minus 2 is equal to minus 2n. So it is minus 20 is equal to minus 2n, minus minus gone. So 20 upon 2 is equal to n, so n is equal to 10. Means in the flower bed there are 10 rows of rose flowers. Is it clear? So after taking many examples based on this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we take certain questions of exercise number 3.2. Okay? So one table is given here. A first term, common difference d, number of terms and nth term. Okay? So first is a is 7, d is 3, n is 8. You have to find out an. Okay? We take this question only. Which formula is kept, can be used here? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Just plot the value. We want to find out an, so an is as it is. What is a? 7 plus n is what? 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Difference is 3. So it is 7 plus 7 3s are 21. So an is 28. Easy? So if we know the formula, we can find out the answers very easily. We take the second, minus 18, then common difference is we found out. Total number of the elements is 10, and we want to find, and the an is 0. Last term is 0. Again we plot the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? 0. What is a? Minus 18 plus n is 10. 10 minus 1, 9 into d. Okay? Minus 18 changes the side, becomes plus 18 is equal to 9d. So d is equal to 18 upon 9. So d is equal to 2. So common difference is 2. Okay? One more pattern of these type of questions we take. Here a is not given. A is to be found out. Common difference is minus 3. Number of terms 18, and last term is minus 5. Again we plot the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? Minus 5. A to be found out. Plus n is what? 18. 18 minus 1, 17. Difference is minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to a plus into minus minus. 17 3s are 51. So a is equal to minus 5 plus 51. So a is equal to 46. So this is how you can find out the required term. It is a blank type of question, or can be asked in the MCQ type of question. We take two examples of MCQ type of question. You are given an AP. It is 10, 7, 4 and so on. And you want to find out 11th term. So what is A11 that you want to, 38th term. A30 you want to find out. Okay? Plot the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An, it is 30 we want to find out. So, A 30. What is A? 10. N is 30, so 30 minus 1, 29. Difference is, it is 7 minus 10, so it is minus 3. Okay? So, 10 plus into minus minus. 9 3s are 27, 2, 3 2s are 6 and 2, 8. Minus 87. And minus 10 is 10 minus 87 is minus 77. So, A30 is 77. Here you are given A, B, C, D certain options. You have to find the correct option and fill in the blanks. Okay? One more we take. Your AP is minus 3, minus 1 half, 2 and so on. And you have to find out A11. 11th term you want to find out. So, first of all, A is ready. Let us find out difference. Difference is second term minus first term. So, minus 1 half minus minus plus 3. 3 means 3 upon 1. 2 LCM minus 1. 3 2s are 6. So, it is 5 upon 2 is your difference. Okay? Now, you want to find out A11. I write the formula first. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay? A11. What is A? Minus 3 plus 11 minus 1, 10. Difference is 5 upon 2. So, minus 3 plus 2 5s are 10. So, 5 5s are 25. So, 25 minus 3 is 22. So, your 11 term will be 22. It is also a kind of MCQ type of question. Okay? We go ahead now. We take one more question. We are given some blanks here. It is in AP. 2, second term is missing and last term is 26. So, it is an AP we know, but we do not know common difference. So, how to find out the second term? We have totally 3 terms. So, I can go for A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 and difference. Okay? A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1, 2 into difference. So, what is A3? 26 is equal to A is what? 2 plus 2 into D. 26 minus 2, it is 24 is equal to 2D. So, D is equal to 24 upon 2, D is equal to 12. So, now it is first term, 2 plus 12 is what? 14. So, second term will be 14. Is it clear? One more type of question. Here something difference is what? First term not given, second term is 13, third term not given and last term is 3. So, there are 4 terms in short. So, I can go this way. A4, fourth term is what? 3 and A2, second term is what? 13. So, I plot the formula for A4 and A2. So, A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1, 3D. And what is A4? 3. So, 3 is equal to A plus 3D. In the same way, we go for A2. A2 is 13. 13 is equal to A plus, it is D only because second term. Now, I take the difference of these 2 terms, 3 minus 13 minus 10 plus A minus A gone is equal to 3D minus 1D is 2D. So, it is D is equal to minus 5. Okay? So, difference is minus 5. So, I know that 13 is the second term. So, A plus D is equal to 13. So, A minus 5 is equal to 13. So A is equal to 13 plus 5, 18. So first term is 18. Similarly, 13 is the second term plus D is equal to third term. So 13 minus 5 is equal to third term. So it is 8 is equal to third term. So this is how you can find out the required term in the AP. Okay. Now we take one more question of this type. First term not given, second is 38, third term not given, fourth term not given, fifth term not given, and the sixth term is minus 22. Again, we can make the formula for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A6 and 1, 2, that is second term. Okay. So it is A6. So it is minus 22. A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1, 5D. It is second term. 38 is equal to A plus D, second term it is. So taking the difference, so 8 and 2, 10, 1 carry forward, 3 and 2, 5 and 1, 6. Minus 60 is equal to 5D minus D is equal to 4D. So D is equal to minus 60 upon 4. So D is equal to minus 15. Okay. So 15 is the difference. So first of all we go for second term. A plus D is equal to 38. Okay. A plus D is 38. So A minus 15 is equal to 38. So A is equal to 38 plus 15. So 8 and 5, 13, 1 carry, 3 and 2, 5. So first term is 53. Similarly, go on subtracting 15 from the term and get the next term. 38 is second term, minus 15, 8 minus 5, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So it is 23. 23 minus 15. So 13 minus 5, 8. Similarly, 8 minus 15, you will get the next term. So this type of objective question can be solved using the single formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So these are all about short questions. In the next period, we will take long question of the exercise of 5.2. So for this period, it is okay. Thank you very much.